Attention all tech enthusiasts. Tesla's Optimus Bot is revolutionizing the manufacturing industry. This incredible robot isn't just a distant dream, it's a reality today. Imagine a robot effortlessly navigating factories and flawlessly assembling parts. Well, the Optimus Bot does just that. Whether it's lifting heavy machinery or delicately handling tiny components, this AI-driven marvel handles it all with precision and unparalleled efficiency. And here's an astonishing fact for you. Thanks to groundbreaking innovations like the Optimus Bot, Tesla's stocks are skyrocketing. It's nonstop work with zero errors, leading to unprecedented success. Are you excited to catch a glimpse of the future? Well, look no further. Follow us now for the latest tech updates that will leave you in awe. Don't miss out on the incredible advancements that Tesla and the Optimus Bot are bringing to the world. Join us on this thrilling journey into the future